Pitong simbolo ng demonyo, witchcraft at paganismo na hanggang ngayon ay nandyan pa sa mga iba't ibang simbahan na nagpakilalang mga Kristiyano. Una, ang lumilipad na demonyong bakla na Santa Claus.
His mind is the one who was demon, as he is destroying the truth that their man-made religion aimed by Lucifer could deceive peoples. This man talking for the things he didn't know, his demonic mouth even called Saint Nicholas, who was well known in his kindness and generosity as homosexual demon, and by that peoples all over the earth became generous also, not just during the said Christmas season.
Pangalawa mga kaibigan, simbolo ng witchcraft, Christmas tree. Ang Christmas tree ay isa pong simbolo ng witchcraft. Wala tayong mababasa sa Biblia na ang Christmas tree ay isang simbolo ng Kristyanismo. Isa itong simbolo ng witchcraft noong unang panahon na dinadasalan, dinidevotionan at inoofera ng iba't ibang klaseng regalo.
This man is full of evil spirits. He is manipulating the truth. This man is liar. Anyone in the RCC says Christmas tree is the symbol of Christianity, but the fact cannot be denied that if there's Christmas tree, it is of RCC. Like as if there was sex leaders or destroying the RCC, as Paul said it is Lucifer's instruments. Where in the history that RHE Christmas tree is the symbol of witchcraft, and where in the history that someone is praying to the Christmas tree, this man's mind is narrow. No one offerings gifts to Christmas tree, as it is not living things or idol or God. Took this man means as, because foods were being put in refrigerator, then it is offering to refrigerator.
Pangatlo mga kaibigan, Halloween. Ang Halloween po ay isang demonic na rituals.
This man is making his own story, where in the history that Halloween is demonic rituals, but Jesus and the apostles and Paul teaches, if anyone preaches falsely, it is demonic. Halloween is of commemorating about dead and anything related to it. So if you will judge it as demonic, so as you mean Bible is demonic, for it also teaches about commemorations of the dead or the saints, or storing about wickedness or evils. But the devils are those who falsely relate things related to God to anything which are paganism, like Holy Trinity, Christmas, etc. To these people's means, the God is bad, for God copied the worshipping, as worshipping starts with the idols, or God is bad as he copied the kings, as the kings in earth started from pagans.
Pang-apat mga kaibigan, Valentine's Day. Ang Valentine's po ay nagpo-promote ng kalaswaan, nagpo-promote ng lust of the flesh noong unang panahon mga kaibigan, mga kapatid.
This Lucifer's instrument, destroying the true messages of things related to God's will, were in the history that Valentine's promotes obscenity, or immorality, or lust of the flesh. But the facts it is about love. It cannot be denied that it was written also, in unbelievers there are also good things in them. So if those pagans before who were gathered into the church of God, continue that good doings when they were not Christians before, then what is bad for that? And it cannot be denied that in the Bible, there are laws or rules and regulations, or traditions being amended. If the concept of Valentine's before is about fertility, what is bad about that? Why? Was fertility prayed to the idols at that time, by the non-believers? Do you not know there is also in the Bible about praying to God for fertility? So what is bad if those pagans before who are now Christians are now praying for it to the Lord? And what is bad if Adventist was being amended to love concepts? This is it. Pagan is of paganism, believers or saints is of Christianity. It was clearly known that the Valentine in Christianity the time starts with Saint Valentine, and it is about love. So I falsely said that it originated from pagan. I will prove to this man in this video and to those others like him that they are talking deceitfully and demonically. Can you point out if what or who was that thing or person with name Valentine in Rome pagan, or who had the pagan invented that? Ironically, you can't point out, because as it was clearly known, it was celebrated in the name of Saint Valentine. Or can't even point out at what year it started in pagans at Rome.
Panglima mga kaibigan, Easter eggs and Easter Sunday. Wala po tayong mababasa sa Biblia na tinatawag na Easter eggs, at wala din tayong mababasa sa aral ng mga apostol na ang muling pagkabuhay ng ating Panginoon ay tinatawag na Easter Sunday. Ang salitang Easter ay galing po sa Diyos-Diyosa na Astaroth o Astarte noong unang panahon.
This man is Lucifer's. How could he says Easter eggs is not in the Bible, as the messages of it are God's will? God and or Jesus also teaches about symbolisms. And God and Jesus commanded their servants to make law or rules and regulations of their own related to God's will. How could this man says there is no Easter Sunday, as it means, the first day of the week when Jesus was resurrected? Did not this man knows there is no such word rapture in the Bible, as such words being invented for good purposes, and such word has different meanings, or such words were given additional invented meaning, and Lucifer's instruments are fond of duplicating or counterfeiting what are God's. But this evil man's mind just instead chose the bad meaning which was not meant for.
Pang-anim mga kaibigan, dalangin o dasal para sa mga kaluluwa na matagal nang namatay. Isa po itong witchcraft at paganismo sapagkat walang kahit isang bersikulo sa Biblia na nag-utos ang ating Panginoong Hesukristo na magdasal o magdebosyon sa mga kaluluwa na matagal nang patay. Hindi ito aral ng Diyos, ito po ay aral ng paganismo.
This man's mouth is the one which is witchcraft, as witchcraft is of inventing such bad. All true believers of God knows that it is Jesus who talks in Old Testament to such peoples, as he is the word the one of the as. Prayer is for all, to be prayed to God. Whether the one to be prayed is bad or good, dead or alive, young or old, rich or poor. In Old Testament the God and Jesus commanded the peoples to pray for the dead. If Jesus still hoping for the dead in Hades to make change, so why they couldn't be prayed?
Pangpito mga kaibigan, ang pagvenerasyon at pagdebosyon sa mga iba't ibang klaseng ribulto at sa mga taong matagal nang patay. Ang lahat ng ito ay isang simbolo ng diablo, witchcraft at paganismo na dapat nating iwasan.
This man is Lucifer's instrument. It's God's will to commemorate and to revere his servants. That is why peoples kneel or bow down to his servants not as God, but as his servants, and he even said not to do bad with his servants, as David said they are God's. To be devoted to God's servants is not bad, as long as to make God first. So as therefore being devoted to God's servants is to love things related to them, likely the representations. If Jesus honored the image of the snake, so how much more with God's or his servants' representations? This man is a demon. He considered things which are God's will as paganism, but the facts what they done to reject the RCC, the true existing Church of God, the Church of Christ, the real doing of pagans.